asana. Ashtanga Namaskara. In Sanskrit, Ashta means 8, Anga means limbs, Namaskara means salutation. In English, it's called 8-limbed pose. Steps and adjustments of Ashtanga Namaskara. Step number 1. Sit in Dandasana. Feet together, hands by the sides of your body, shoulders rolled back and down. Slowly take your left leg beneath your hips, followed by your right leg. Hands on your thighs. From here, slowly take one elbow and palm distance forward and slowly come into all fours. Or it's also called tabletop position. From here, slowly bend your upper torso down, tuck your toes and go all the way down. Bring your chest and your chin on the ground. Try to maintain the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute without any strain. In the final position, make sure your 8 limbs of the body are touching the ground. Your toes, knees, palms, chest and your chin. Now slowly lift your upper torso, release your toes and slowly relax in child's pose. Benefits of Ashtanga Namaskara. This pose strengthens legs and arms and develops the chest. This also increases flexibility of the spine and works and improves the muscles of all 8 limbs. Contraindications of Ashtanga Namaskara. This asana is strictly prohibited for people with carpal tunnel syndrome, high blood pressure, pregnancy, neck, shoulder and wrist injury.
If you like our content in the video, hit the thumbs up. Share with your friends. Want to say something? Comment below and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon.